Hello, this tutorial is about the operating expenses. This is the second assumptions page on the menu. Here you can forecast expenses such as utilities, legal fees, fixed royalties, cleaning services, security services, or accounting fees, or many others. In the end, it is meant for all expenses that are not directly related to the production of goods or services. Let's add an operating expense for Yummy Mega Tasty Burger. As an example, we are going to add some fixed advertising costs. So let's assume to spend more on the first year than in the laters. So 30,000 euros in the first year and 15,000 euros in the following years. First, let's state the name of the expense. Advertising costs, but you can choose whichever designation you prefer. Now let's input the values. After that, you input the VAT rate. Notice how it has been pre-filled with the general VAT rate of the project settings. You can change if you want, but for this purpose, we will keep it this way. If you have the input costs with functions, you can assign a function to every item of cost. You can choose between cost of goods, general and administration, marketing and sales, and finally, research and development. The preset is always cost of goods, but for this example, it's clearly a marketing expense. So let's change it. To end the process, just press Save. You will be directed back to the operating expenses list. The advertising has now been added. Time for a tip. The operating expenses page is better suited for fixed costs, the type of costs that are not related to revenues. If you have an operating expense that is directly related to the revenues, you should consider including that as a raw materials or consumables type of cost. And that is it for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.